The client sends a request connection to the server. If the server accepts the connection, it will add it to the list of connected clients. This way, the server can remember when it needs to send back the data. After the client and server connection is established, a full duplex communication can take place, in which TCP protocol is used, and either the server or the client can send messages, or both the client and server can send or receive messages at the same time. Next, when either wants to disconnect, the client or server can end the connection, and then the connection will be stopped. Receive data at the same time in this full to text communication, and it happens over transmission control protocol, which ensures that there is minimal loss of data or no loss of data. This makes it ideal choice for a wide range of communications in the modern applications, which includes instant messaging, like your instant messaging softwares that are commonly around these days. Notifications. A lot of notifications you receive in your applications have a server and client communication system similar to WebSockets, wherein the server can send a notification whenever it needs to, as the connection between the client and server is always open. Broadcast systems use a lot of WebSockets, wherein a lot of clients are connected to the server, and if a message needs to be sent to, a broadcast can be sent. As number of clients are connected, it makes it easy to send data from the server to a large number of client devices. Calendars and scheduling applications rely on WebSockets to always receive updates from the server. Location services use WebSocket technology to keep updated about the location services. Whether it is your food delivery application or the cab service, they can utilize WebSockets for keeping updated information about the location. This makes it ideal choice for a lot of modern applications. WebSockets are easy to implement, and also as it has very less number of data loss in the communication, it is very reliable communication for modern applications. WebRTC stands for Web Real-Time Communication. It is a technology that lets two clients communicate in almost real time. The client 1 and client 2 sends connection request to the server. Then there is something called an instant server. It is a server technology that is used in other applications like VoIP. It basically gives IP addresses to both the clients. Once the connection with the servers is established, both the clients can communicate with each other on UDP, which is User Datagram Protocol, a popular protocol that may have some sort of data loss, but it enables very quick communication between both the clients without the need of a server. This is an ideal choice for modern applications. It is very easier to implement on many modern applications, Android, iOS, and web platforms. One of the very widely used application of WebRTC is audio video call services. Once the connection between both the clients using the application is established over WebRTC, audio or video data can be sent in almost real time. As the data is being sent or received over UDP, there will be some losses and the user experience some quality issues. Another widely used modern application is online multiplayer games. In screen sharing applications, WebRTC is used to transmit the video of the screen so that it enables the remote operator to do work on the other person's computer. They will be able to see the user's screen. Once the connection is established, WebRTC is a very good choice for real-time communications. There are also many more modern applications in WebRTC, though there will be some quality issues as the data is being sent or received over real time, implemented using many backend frameworks. However, there are many ready-to-use solutions that are available. There are tons of video call APIs and SDKs that are already available, which you can use in your application without the need to implement the whole thing on your own, as implementing one can be a very tedious task. Both are full duplex communications, which means the data can be sent or received at the same time. WebRTC is client-to-client communication without the need of a server, whereas WebSockets need the server all the time throughout the duration of the connection, which is as long as the connection is open. But in the WebRTC, there will be some data loss. In case of WebSockets, there will be very less or no data loss. When there needs to be a continuity in the data that is being sent or received, WebRTC is an ideal choice. But when you don't need to be loss, when you don't want there to be any loss in the data that is being sent or received, WebSockets is an ideal choice. Both the technologies are easier to implement in the modern applications.